Okay, me kase time na you see about democracy cap no you find seriously because as Democrats it say you to aba na you amanfo that cap no I say you be to aba as of so a you hu cap adie you jan ko bia you down for no me say cap there you see it's not the me catch me brother Ocloo na doctor say it's not after the match no I be invite home. No problem. That's the only thing I can say. But you prepare well. The boys are focused on that game. A very serious game. You have boys now. Okay. You kofa Mesner see Abasoma about that match. We are the same place we are come to play.
Okay, but I can tell you we prepared well. We've infused the old and the new, and you will see that tomorrow. You're going to give us a very good match, and we're going to take the cup. We've beaten them twice. We've beaten them twice, and we are ready to give them Ayele the 3-1. So, Jerry, I think we are good to go.
Thank you, Papa Chaptao.